Sunday's precise and important news. A child rescued and kidnappers arrested in Balkh. Local security officials rescued a child from the hands of kidnappers in the capital of Balkh province. Provincial Deputy Police Chief Qari Abdulhay Abid said to the press that the security forces freed a child during an intelligence operation from kidnappers in the capital of the province. The minor was kidnapped 13 days ago for ransom. One kidnapper was killed and two others detained during the operation, Mr. Abid added. Equipped ambulances handed over to Host Health Department. A number of well-equipped ambulances were handed over to the Host Public Health Department by the Ministry of Public Health. Two separate committees formed to determine the priorities of the railway and electricity projects. Based on the decision of the Economic Commission of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan, two separate committees were formed to determine the priorities of the railway and electricity projects. The security situation of Kabul-Nangarhar highway is safe. The Kabul Police Headquarters says the security situation on the Kabul-Nangarhar highway is reliable and safe, and the passengers can travel on it without any tension. Acting Minister of Urban Development met with a number of citizens. The Ministry of Urban Development and Land says that the Acting Minister of the said ministry, Honorable Sheikh Hamdullah Numani, met with a number of citizens from different provinces and listened to their problems. A meeting held between the officials of ARA and NDC. A meeting was held between the officials of Afghanistan Railway Authority and the National Development Company under the chairmanship of the head of Afghanistan Railway Authority. Deputy Minister planted saplings in the courtyard of Information and Culture Ministry. Deputy Minister of Publication of the Ministry of Information and Culture, Honorable Hayatullah Muhajir Farahi, today by planting saplings in the courtyard of the said ministry, asked the countrymen to at least plant one sapling to contribute to the fertility and beauty of the country. 315 pharmacies have been monitored in Kabul since last month. National Food and Drug Administration says that its surveillance teams monitored 315 pharmacies in Kabul last month, as a result of which 44 pharmacies were closed due to illegal activities.